Hi, welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. I'm Cathie Fillion. Today I've got the cutest DIY to share with you. We're going to be doing these little mini hand sanitizers. I'm doing napkin decoupage on them. I think they're the greatest little quick gift, perfect for teachers, coworkers, and stocking stuffers too. Let's do it. I picked these up at Five Below, but I've seen them at lots of stores. Go ahead and open up your package. The flat one works best. Remove the top, and then we're going to chalk paint the front of it. We're going to paint that with white chalk, and that is so that the colors of the napkin will pop through. We're going to separate the plies of our paper napkin. I'm just using a little tape to help me on those corners, and I'm going to cut out part of that graphic. I'm using Mod Podge satin. I'm just applying that to the painted portion of our hand sanitizer, and this is just a little bit of water that I'm misting the napkin with. Then I'm going to place it right on top of the hand sanitizer. I'm trying to get that buckle centered there. And then you're just going to gently smooth with your fingers and let that dry for about 20 minutes. After it's dry, you can use a nail file to sand away the edge or a sanding sponge, and that will just peel right off, giving you a nice clean finish, and then top coat with more of the satin Mod Podge. You can already see how cute this is turning out, but I've got a few more steps. Go ahead and put that lid back on. And now we're going to embellish it. First up, I'm going to use some sparkle Mod Podge, and I'm using my detail paint brushes to go in and add highlights where I want, and that's got Aurora Borealis glitter in it, so it's going to be a nice, fine, soft sparkle. And then I'm going to add some more Mod Podge here, and I'm going to just glue down gems around that buckle, to the berries, to the green, and to the belt. Just adding a little dot there. Then go ahead and place our gems right into the glue. You can really decorate these in so many different ways. You can even add 3D soft embellishments like little bows. Let's go ahead and add some black gems there. These are so easy to do. Look how gorgeous that turns out when it's all dry. All right, let's take a look at some of the other ones. Here's a Santa one. I added that same sparkle to his beard and to his hat, and then I glued a bunch of gems on him. Here's a poinsettia, same thing, using that sparkle, just highlighting the flower, adding a little bit to the center, and then I added some pearls and gems. I love this one, like an old sweater. For this one, I did an all over just by brushing the sparkle all over. And here I highlighted these cute designs just by brushing the sparkle onto the actual designs. And then I loaded this one up with sweet gems. These are all so adorable. I would love to get one of these. Thanks so much for joining me today. I love how these turned out. Now, I did this holiday style, but of course these would be great for all year round. So just use your favorite napkins. All right, I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.